Today I will share how to make a 3D pop-out car poster design in Canva. So let's start with it. And for that I will first scroll down to find frames here and scroll down to find the letter frames. Click on see all and from here I will choose J. Okay, and bring in here, slightly make it bigger and just place it here. Okay, and after that I will go to uploads, and as you can see I have uploaded a GIF photo here, so I will use this and I will just make this inside the design of this letter frame. And after that I will just make it this side so that it looks a pop out effect. Okay, like this. Okay, I will keep, and after that I will mark the ends with the ruler. Okay, and after that I will just duplicate it and place it in here, and after that go to edit and go to adjust and decrease the brightness and decrease the shadows and increase slightly the blacks. Okay, I will keep it like this, and after that I will move it to the side. Okay, just hold on to the keys in the keyboard and move it slightly, and right click it, go to layer, show layers, just move it below. But as you can see the layers have also moved, and for that I will be needing to adjust the main layer, and for that I will move it here slightly here and adjust the layers, which is the image layer, and I will just use the keys again to adjust. So that's why I have used the rulers. So when this is set, now bring the image again and make it to the same size as the canvas of the frame and just adjust it. Hold on to the control key in the keyboard so that it doesn't merge with the frame, and after that click on BG remover. So to make a pop out effect we need to make it slightly brighter, otherwise it will not create a pop out effect. Okay, hold on control key and just adjust it. And it is adjusted as you can see, but we need to create the pop out effect, and now I will remove the rulers because it is not required now. Okay, and after that I will go to edit, click on adjust, increase the brightness as well as the saturation part. Let's make it 50. Okay, so the changes which I made here I have to make again in the frame. So for that I will just crop in here because the upper parts are not required. I will select this frame and I will make the same adjustments here also, so that the car are both same here. So make it 28 and make the saturation as 50. Okay, so when this is marked, now crop it from here and adjust it again. So now it is adjusted, and after that I will just go to elements, and here I will select shadows and go to graphics, click on see all and select a suitable shadow here. So this will be good, and after that I will just bring it in the car layer just below it, and I will just duplicate it so that I can increase the darkness of the shadow. Okay, so this is adjusted. As you can see, right click it, go to layer, bring to front. So the shadow layers went all just below this Jeep layer, and after that I will change the background, and for that I will click on this color and select this color, go to gradient and change the color to something in blue. And after that something in lighter blue. Okay, and I will keep it like this. Okay, and after that I will just go to elements. So if you want to make it more lighter, you can just use this one and it will go lighter. And after that I will go to elements and I will just scroll up and use this element which says yellow and black radial burst pattern, and I will use it here, and I will change the color to the same color of this one. So I will just select from here and check this color which is 90D7F1. This is the hex code, and I will just use the hex code, same hex code here, 90D7F1. Okay, so this is the hex code, and I will just cover the image, and after that select the layer, show layers, and just move it just below the J layer of the J frame, and after that decrease the transparency, keep it like this, and after that I will just go to text here, click on add a subheading, and here I will write feel the power of, and I will change the alignment to left aligned. Okay, so it is not left aligned, so I will just left align it. Okay, and I will just decrease the line spacing, and after that I will change the color to white, just make it smaller, and for the effect I will just use this lift and increase it to the highest one. Okay, and after that I will just duplicate it, place it here, right, Jeep, and for this I will just increase the size to 144. Let's keep it now, and after that I will just change the font to Archivo Black, and after that I will just move it above. So I will select both the text layers and move it upwards and keep it like this. Okay, and I will just move it slightly down and click on L to select the straight line and just increase the size of using the stroke weight here. Let's keep it to 8 and change the color to white again, and just place it above this and also below this. Now just select all the text layers and right click it, go to layer, show layers, and just right click it, click on group, and just move all the layers just above the J layer. Okay, and just keep it here, and after that to make some extra effect I will click on elements, and here I will write cloud, and just go to photos and click on see all, and after that scroll down to find some clouds layer and just make it smaller and bring it here once, and another time select this one, just make it smaller again and bring it above. Just keep it right here. So hope you like this tutorial, and this is a unique pop-out effect poster design, and hope you learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel if you learned something from this tutorial, and please let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.